My village, my soil, my identity. Earguda matire mora kahani, SABAR TOKA. Listen carefully. The soil is speaking through me.
SABAR TOKA, the soil speaks loud. Rayagada re uthe mora sound. Pakala power, farmer blood. Mati mora ma, I stand so proud. SABAR TOKA, truth we follow. Garib noy amara har bada. God blessing re, move forward. Earguda ru duniya sada.
Morning sunrise over green field. Gamucha kandhare hard work shield. Barefoot walk on my own land. Mati ko chui kari pranam hand. Takhala khaye energy high. Simple life but dream sky high. People say tum kya karoge. Mukha huchi wait and watch by. They think we weak but we strong inside. Culture mora crown I wear with pride. SABAR blood running in vein. Struggle rain but no complaint.
SABAR TOKA, the soil speaks loud. Rayagada re uthe mora sound. Pakala power, farmer blood. Mati mora ma, I stand so proud. SABAR TOKA, truth we follow. Garib noy amara har bada. God blessing re, move forward. Earguda ru duniya sada.
We speak same way, we act same way. Sach rasta re chalu chi every day. Dutiya si baat jete bada storm. Faith re achi mora uniform.
My country is Indian and thus violent. From Odisha land divine. Rayagada district shine. Earguda village, that's mine. Musapana dekhe, musapana gade. Hard work re, future bade. They say kam tum log karoge. Haan bhai kam re, word hile.
Not just labor, we creator. Farmer, father, motivator.
Soil re born, stage re fire. SABAR TOKA, rising higher.
माँ मटी तोरा आशीर्वाद बापा सिखाए ले मेहनत रपात गरीब थिले भी गरिमा अच्छी सूत्र चली ले जीत निश्चित अच्छी
SABAR TOKA, the soil speaks loud. Earguda ru